Looking here at NVIDIA for a short play, simply because of the daily, and it looks a little bit weak on the day. It did leave a wick, but I'm interested to see if this wants to continue. Looks like it's trying to go down. Order filled. I've entered the trade. Okay, I'm moving my stop loss here, just under this candle, or above the candle high. Order filled. Just exiting the trade right now because I'm not sure if it's going to keep going higher. Might present an opportunity to re-enter. If this starts rejecting the moving average again, I think I'm going to re-enter. I think the main issue is SPY was above the moving average, and the Qs are moving above as well. I do like the 5 minute here, so it might present an opportunity to re-enter. Just looking at this trade again on the downside, if it can hang below the moving average on the 5 minute and the 2 minute here, starts to show some movement into 1:11:30. I might look to enter. Let's see how this candle closes here. Might be wise to also wait for the 5 minute. I'm just going to close in about 1 minute and 15 seconds. The interesting thing about this trade, it raises some red flags because of the topping tails and the bottom tails. And see if the 5 minute gives us an advantage here to go through this bottoming tail. And then just hold off until I see the 5 minute. This is one of those trades where I'm okay missing. I'd rather be right than get in too early. It's really quite messy here on the 5 minute time. It's mostly the daily that I'm interested in. Just about 30 seconds here. This is the daily. Okay, so it's super bearish now. I could wait till 1:11, but I'm thinking about getting it on a pullback here. If I pull back just a little bit more, maybe I'll get in. If not, then I'll enter early. Okay, I've entered the trade, and I'm comfortable taking my stop loss if it gets above the moving average here, actually. I want to move my stop loss here to 111.40, but just not too early. This week is FOMC as well, tomorrow to be specific, into the market later half of the day. So there's a lack of follow through. I just don't want to be stuck in something. I want to ensure I get out. The market's really strong, so the market support is not really there. I need this to go down because I want to move my stop loss. Okay, I'm moving my stop loss just under this candle here. Actually, under the red candle is actually sufficient. If it comes back up there, I gotta get it. Okay, I'm gonna take this right here. Understood. Nice trade. Second trade obviously was much larger than the first trade. First trade lost about 14 minus 8. So what is that? About 6 cents. The second trade, sorry, not 6 cents. And then just give or take 6 to 7 cents. And the second trade made much more than that. So I got an entry price here of 214, an exit of 251. And I was just playing the momentum. But I did have concerns about this area, obviously. So because of that, I was ready to raise my stop. And over the last few weeks of trade journaling, I've encountered more and more lessons about how I can better trade. And one of the key takeaway has been to be good at raising my stops, because a lot of the plays that I do end up taking are momentum, strong plays that usually work within 10 minutes. So if I'm not getting my move in really quick, it's better for me to exit. Check a look at these premiums. Are at 250 again. I think we got a good price.